Hello again, guys. So, for today's book, I'm going to read The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. So, every time I say, and then the doorbell rang, I want you guys to say, ding dong. All right, here we go. I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. See the cookie plate? She did make plenty. Do you think they're going to share? That's 6 each, said Sam. And Victoria? They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. What do you need to say? Remember? Ding dong. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. There's their friends, and there they are waiting. That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. They're super excited. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Well, there they are. They're coming in to share the cookies. That's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma, said Peter, and smell as good. Look how many children are around the table now. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 children. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Whoa. So look at all the 6 children. And look how many they brought. Are there going to be any cookies left? That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Joy. And look as good, said Simon. Oh my goodness. Let's count how many children are there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 children. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Oh my goodness. If they have more people coming, are there going to be any more cookies? Because there's 10 children and 10 cookies. What are they going to do? Let's see who's coming. And it rang. Ding dong. Oh dear, said Ma, as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. No, we'll wait, said Sam. Guess who it was? It was Grandma! Grandma came with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share with them, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. Grandma filled their bucket. Look how happy they are. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. The end. All right. there's your story for this evening. And I will talk to you again tomorrow and have another story for you. See ya.